Tired of your Apple Pay cash just sitting there? Today, we're unlocking the secret to moving those funds directly to your debit card. First, make sure you have a debit card already linked to your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You should see your Apple Cash card displayed. Tap on your Apple Cash card. This will show you your current Apple Pay cash balance and your transaction history. Next, look for the three dots, sometimes labeled as More, in the upper right corner of the screen, and tap on them. A menu will appear with several options. Find and select Transfer to Bank. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer. Type in the exact amount you want to move to your debit card. You'll now be presented with transfer options. You can choose between an instant transfer, which has a small fee, or a standard transfer that takes 1 to 3 business days and is free. If you choose instant transfer, the fee will be clearly displayed before you confirm. It's typically a small percentage of the transfer amount. If you are not in a rush, choose the 13 business days option, which avoids any fees. Finally, review all the details carefully: the amount, the destination bank, and the estimated arrival time. Then, confirm the transfer using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation screen, and your Apple Cash balance will be updated immediately. Remember, the funds will appear in your bank account according to the transfer option you chose. Now go enjoy your money.